we get this result. We have taken one table, so we cannot see any difference. Now we will take another table with movie table. Welcome to our programming channel. Today we will see data adapter, data table, data set in edu.net with practical example part 2. We will create another table. Create table animal character. So these are the columns character ID and animal character name. So first animal character Kong, second animal character dinosaur, and third animal character Godzilla. Select this and execute. Table is created. So this is the animal character table with 3 records. And now here instead of query 1, here also query 1, and here DS. Now here we can see data set, then data table, dataset, comma, string src table. So we can take ds, comma, and here we will take table. We can say table 1 like query 1, or we can say table movie. We can write any table name. Now we will take this data set here and this is for first table and this is for second table. Now here also query 2, then select star from this animal character table, animal character, and now here query 2, a local variable named DA is already defined in this scope. Remove SQL data adapter da.fill ds. This will be same like query 2. Here we can give table 2 or table animal character. So now this is the code, and now if we see click on dataset button. Now this DA is null and here this dataset is empty. Then query, and after da.fill ds table movie, here we can see table movie, and we can see movie table. We can see only one table after da.fill ds table animal character. Now here we can see this is movie table and this is animal character table. And names are table movie and table animal character. So we can see two tables here. Now these two tables in dataset are data source for review. Now here we can see movie table and here also we can see movie table. But suppose if we want to see animal character table, ds dot tables, and in square bracket we can see int index. So if we give index 0 we will see movie table, and if we give index 1 then we will see animal character table. Now index is 1, so now here we can see in dataset demo animal character table, and in data table demo we can see movie table. Here we can see int index, string name, comma, string table name space. So now here we can give string name. So here suppose if we take table movie, we have seen second table with index in bracket. Now we will see first table with name in bracket. Here name is table movie, so we are giving this name table movie. Now after clicking dataset button we can see movie table, and here also movie table. So we get movie table properly. Movie. In fill method we have name table movie, and we are taking original name movie here. In dataset demo, now here we cannot get any error, but we cannot see the table, and here we can see table in data table demo, but here, so here we can give name movie. For that, in fill method also there must be same name movie. We have taken one index 1 and here table movie. Similarly, we can take 0 index and table animal character here. Now if we see here in data table, data set, then data table, then data set src table, then we cannot see src table with data tables. Here we can see data set and src table, data set. Suppose if we give here table 1, cannot convert from system.data.datatable to system.data.dataset. We cannot give table 1, table 2 or table movie, table animal character with DT. So we cannot take more than one data table. We can take only one data table here. That's all for data adapter, data table, data set in edu.net with practical example part 2. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like and share videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.